Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you some features after iOS 13.7's update. How to turn on exposure notification on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open your settings, then scroll down and you can see also exposure notification on your iPhone settings. If you cannot see exposure notification on your iPhone settings, so tap back button, then scroll up and select general, then tap on software update. In software update you can see also your iOS version in your phone. So if you cannot update your phone, then Wi-Fi to connect and latest update your iOS version. Latest software update after, again open your settings and you can see also exponential notification. In exponential notification to some details and reports about COVID-19. Your public health authority can notify you of possible exposure to COVID-19 and how to exponential notification work. So you can see also step by step follow, and you can see how to use exponential notification. Tap turn on exponential notification, then tap on continue, and you can see also select your country. So I can also select my country. Select your country after, you can see also exposure notifications currently not available. If you available in your country, you can also use exposure notifications and protect your life health against COVID-19. I hope this video helpful for you, and thank you so much.